Here is a simple guide for those who are new to MODICIA OS. Designed to make the experience as smooth as possible. What is MODICIA OS? MODICIA OS is a free operating system based on Linux, designed in Italy to be easy to use, fast, and complete. It is perfect for those who want to start using Linux without complications. What you need to get started: a computer with at least 64-bit processor, 4 GB of RAM, preferably 4 GB, 40 GB of free disk space, a USB stick of at least 6 GB, a program to create bootable USB sticks, e.g. Rufus on Windows. Download MODICIA OS. Go to the MODICIA OS official website, https://www.modiciaos.cloud, and download the ISO image. This is the file that contains the operating system. Create the bootable USB stick. 1. Open Rufus or Etcher on Linux macOS. 2. Select the MODICIA OS ISO image. 3. Choose your USB stick. 4. Start writing Install MODICIA OS. 1. Insert the stick into the computer and restart it. 2. Enter the BIOS UEFI, press F2, F12, or DEL at startup. 3. Set the USB stick as the first boot device. 4. MODICIA will start in live mode. You can try it without installing it. 5. Click on Install the system and follow the instructions. Choose language and keyboard. Decide whether to install it next to Windows or delete everything. Create your user and password. Wait for completion and restart. What you will find after installation: a macOS-like interface, very intuitive, all the programs already installed, web browsing, email, music, video, documents, professional software for graphics, audio, and video. No need for install drivers or codecs. Everything is ready. Tips for inexperienced users: you don't need to know the terminal. You can do everything with the mouse. If you have doubts, search for MODICIA OS on YouTube. There are video tutorials. You can always try it in live mode before installing it. These 2 videos will guide you through the installation.